What up, Josh? Ah, that's what I'm talking about. As you can see, my man Justin is an expert with the Speedbag. And this right here is the only rhythmic thing that we do in the gym for the most part, aside from jumping rope. This is the cool down. Jumping rope is the warm up. So this is like the yin to the yang. And I want Justin to give you a little bit of information on how to get started if you're new to the Speedbag. So what level should the bag be, first of all?
Well, at the bottom of the bag should be around chin level.
So the height of the bag should be about chin level. Okay, good. And then what part of your hand do you want to hit with?
Usually I try to hit with this, the side of your hand,
Okay.
side of your fist.
And what part of the Speedbag do you want to hit?
You want to hit it around, once it gets to this point, this is the point we want to intercept.
Right. And at what point during the motion do you want to hit it?
Yeah, you want to...
At this, like at the angle right there.
Yeah.
Boom.
Right around this point, you don't want it to come out too far and get away from you.
Right. So it doesn't go out of control.
Usually right around this point.
Okay.
Around here.
Very good. And then I got a drill that I think is good for beginners, the pyramid drill, 5 to 1, and then back up to 5. You want to show them a little example? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 1. And then 2, 3, back and, all the way up to 5, You can go up to 5, 10, 100, whatever you feel like, is suitable for you, because making the transition 1 and 1 is a little harder in the beginning. So I always tell people just pick a good number. I like to start with 5. 1 to 5, feel comfortable with that, go hit 4. And then when you're doing training in the gym, you should be working on a timer. And you got 3 minutes of activity with a 30-second warning at the end of the 3 minutes. And then you get your rest. Personally, I like to tell people in the beginning, the first couple rounds, do the same drill. Do the pyramids 5 to 1 and back up to 5. And then the last 30 seconds, try to go for the singles. Left, right, left, right, left, right, the whole last 30 seconds. So anyway, that's the basics with the Speedbag. And thank you to my bro right here, Justin. Good looking out. And put that work in. Maybe be as nice as this guy one day.